Many famous monsters was created by composition, like Griffin, a monster from ancient myths of Greece, and Pan also comes from ancient Greece. Griffin, in a way, was simply composed by eagle's head and lion body, and Pan was created by putting human and goat together. And now I am trying to merge a toad and a sheep into one monster. Creating monster in such a method requires you to figure out which part of the animal should keep and which part to leave behind. In this toad and sheep case, I decided to keep the head of the toad, which have a big mouth and bulge eyes in my sword. This feature stand out and made the creature cute and lively. The next thing is to draw the body and the leg. Keep in mind that we are now in the process of design. We can draw everything we want. Many try until we get the best idea. For the leg, my first try is not a leg at all. I try to draw the croc from eagle or some kind of bird for both the front and the back leg. I'm thinking that this croc may make it more fantastic and more unique to the audience. And even they are not that good, they can still inspire me to another better idea.